Hey everybody, it's Joe Chaffee here, and I just want to focus a little bit of attention this afternoon. I know I've been talking a lot about snow cover in Eurasia and North America and what it means for the upcoming winter, and I think this is something that might gain your interest. So I'm just going to show you, this is all on the Northern Hemisphere, of course, and we'll be able to zoom in a little bit closer. You see all this snow cover that's up here in this section. I'm rolling my mouse so you can see it. This is what we're talking about. It's the snow cover that grows across most of what is known as Eurasia. And you can see it's a very wide extent of snow cover. And the reason why we focus on this is that this is a source region for very cold air that comes into the United States. Also, we notice snow cover across now over what looks like at least half of Alaska. And this was not the case just about 10 days ago, and through much of northern Canada and over toward Greenland. So this is all snow covered. The yellow is where we have ice covered. The thing that we want to focus on here is the fact that the growth of this snow cover in this area has been growing at a very, very rapid rate. And this chart is quite interesting because if you take a look here from 2013, which is this dark green line, this is the rate of snow cover growth, and you notice how it increases as you go through the month of October. This was a tip-off last year, as there was a correlation between how fast that snow cover grows and how cold our winters are in the East and Midwest. And as we saw, and a few people were able to catch on to this rapid rate of snow cover growth was the tip-off. Now, look at what you got here. This is the blue line for this year. We are well ahead of even last year's pace. Now, the bottom line as far as what that means for our winter is we're almost to mid-month. It's where we finish. So if we finish, say, in the upper end of this range here, on the end of the graph, that's probably a tip-off that maybe we're going to have another cold and snowy winter. If it starts to descend, then maybe it's telling us it might not be so bad. But the important thing, at least going into mid-month, is that we're seeing here a pretty rapid advance of that snow cover across Eurasia, and this is something we're going to pay close attention to as we move toward the end of the month.